Hello traders, welcome to another top 3 in 3 minutes. So going straight into it, the first pair that I have here is the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. So we come from a significant low here on this pair. So what I'd be looking for is if price can create some kind of a 3-touch continuation here in this area. So we're looking at the first touch over here, second touch, and the third touch right on top of this little high here. If we get something similar to this, I will then be looking at taking this to the highs. There's a lot of potential on that one. Another one is the USD CAD. So here I did have a position here that I placed, if I can quickly show you. This position from last week, so would have been running at a good 13% or so with this position, but I basically just got wicked out a little bit there, and then price continued to the downside. But that's what happens in trading. You get some of these trades where you stay in by a pip, and then others where you get tagged out by a pip and then it just runs. So but we'll see how this coming week goes. It's still looking quite strong. So what I'll be looking for is price to come into this area for a second touch, and I'll be taking the second touch here to the downside. If we get there nicely and slowly, given that it's not just one or two candles to the upside over there. Another one that I'll be looking at here is GBP JPY. So also we've got this low that we've created, this beautiful structural low here. Price has been continuing down quite nicely. So what I'd be looking for in this area is very simple. I just want to see price give us 3 simple touches, and then I'll take a position here that takes us back to the downside, so if you can look at these corrections here, you'll see that they're not necessarily large corrections. It's not one of those big corrections, so we would probably be expecting a larger correction here, but because it's below the low, sometimes price creates a small structure and then we continue. If not, we would then create a larger 3-touch type of structure where I would then re-enter on the third touch of the larger structure and take that down to the lows. Otherwise, have an amazing trading week ahead. We're already in mid-November, and then December is right around the corner and Q1 will start. So hopefully you've gained some kind of momentum this quarter and this year. Wishing you an excellent trading week ahead.